imagine. Check it out. When me and she would shampoos a lot, from indeed. You know, check it, listen up. Me and she would shampoos a lot. From morning she shampoo. Always by beside she stand shoot to that. The type of love and thank you for that. I'm gonna run barefoot without no shoes and socks. I should keep herself clean, but not go catch no rush. And she love me for real, but not to have no cash. And it ain't a little thing from the special specialist. All it's bringing is like you forgot. You said I was the way that you recruit a lot. So we listen up speech of Martin Luther chat. It is Gong Marley, some hands up. Oh, she like she live outside the Duke shop. But she don't have a scratch, it's only do this spot. Then what you can start and do this spot. Mr. Myers, ladies and gentlemen, sing with me. Beautiful, here we go again, my love. No, I would never let you go, my love. Beautiful, here we go. Check it. I remember when we met and we began dating and everything was conversation and we began dating and then the women love her but she get kicked on ratings. Another one way, and then she gets a belly full and a lot of scrapings. And the closer we become, the more she gravitating. Until we buckle down and there is no escaping. Now we typically come on every dating. I do not like physically communicating and sexually, scientifically penetrating. Until she starts spiritually resonating. Some in what she realizes that she don't play. She's the only thing that keeps us hesitating. And so we still a delay of negotiating. And always cannot end this secret. One more time, I'm saying beautiful. Here we go again, my love. You know I would never let you go, my love. Beautiful, here we go.